Good day all. Let's start with some basics and the introduction to the psychiatry. What is psychiatry? Psychiatry is the medical specialty devoted to diagnosis, prevention and treatment of mental disorders. So in contrast, we have the clinical psychology. In that it is integration of the science, theory and the clinical knowledge for purpose of understanding, preventing and relieving psychologically based distress or dysfunction and to promote subjective well-being and personal development. Okay, in that, along with the getting to know about the problem, there is also the personal development point. When we see in the psychiatry, so there is diagnosis and the treatment also. Here is mainly about the understanding and preventing it and also promoting the subjective well-being. Let's talk about mental illness. The first definition comes from MHA 2017, that is Mental Health Care Act 2017 in India. It defines mental illness as it means a substantial disorder of thinking, mood, perception, orientation or memory that grossly impairs judgment, behavior, capacity to recognize the reality and ability to meet the ordinary demands of life. Also, along with that, the conditions which are associated with abuse of alcohol and drugs are also included in mental illness. But there is a contrast. The mental retardation is not included in mental illness as per MHA 2017. Let's see WHO definition. It says they are generally characterized by some combination of abnormal thoughts, emotions and behavior and relationships with others. So when we diagnose someone with any of the mental disorders, it should be as per some or the other classificatory systems. So two main classificatory systems which are being followed in the world are ICD and DSM. What is ICD? ICD is International Classification of Diseases, that is globally used as diagnostic tool for epidemiology, health management and the clinical purposes. So ICD is a includes wide variety of disorders. All the disorders are included in ICD. The recent version is ICD-10, which was released in 1992. It is being updated. The recent ICD-11 was accepted by WHO in May 2019, but is yet to be released. So in chapter number 5, they include the mental and behavioral disorders, so which is denoted by the letter F. For example, F20, which means schizophrenia, F32, which means depression. Let's talk about DSM-5, that is Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorder. Always remember the full form, that is Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorder. The latest edition is DSM-5, which was published in 2013. It is a publication and the classification of mental disorders using a common language and the standard criteria. So who is publishing this DSM-5? That is APA, American Psychiatric Association. Thank you. Just you can revise these definitions again and try to remember it. These should be on the tip of your tongue. Thank you.